How to add subtitle to a video in VN. Now in order to do this, just simply create a new project or open an existing one if you have a draft. Like this, I'm opening my draft, and after coming into this section, just simply tap to this add a subtitle option and select the text from here. Any of these options such as heading, subheading and a little body, which doesn't matter a lot because you can zoom in and out, and after this just simply type your subtitles which you would like to add. Then just simply tap to check button, and after that select this subtitle again, and after tapping in there, now you have to go into this style section. Now into this style you will see this option of subtitle. Tap to subtitle, and from here you can select the subtitle style which you would like to add into your video. Select the subtitle which fits your video the most, and after selecting the subtitle style you can zoom in and put it wherever you want to put it. So this is basically how you add subtitle in a video in VN. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.